Tapos magsa-soundcheck pa kami. Elepante na naman. Au! Ayun. Tapos magsa-soundcheck pa kami. So, mga automatic. So, mga 2 oras lang kami matutulog ngayon. Tapos, ratsyada na ulit. Doon talaga, pukpok hanggat patok. Sabi nila, di ba? Walang patlang, pukpok hanggat patok. Ganon. Pukpok hanggat patok. O, ano na naman yan? Ano yan? May bumbilya na smiley. Join my team. Anong team yan? May pa-basket? May paliga ba? Hanggang dito sa TikTok may paliga. Ano yan? Ay, soft drinks! May painom. Isa pa hanggang naniinom ako. Dali. Ako mainit dito sa biyahe. Padala nyo kami ng maiinom. Dali. Yung gusto kong ganun. Sisip-sipin ko lang. Sige na, sisip. Oh. Oh, nom. Sabi, ganon. Tawang-tawa siya.
Parang yung mga nasa TikTok live, yung mga NP, yung mga parang nagpapaka-character habang naglalaro.
Ganon, yung mga naglalaro. Oh yes, shades. It's so cool. Gusto ko maraming likes. Pindutin nyo na ano. Gusto ko na maraming heart. Send me a lot of love. Come on. Ayun, sombrero. Yes. Ay, cute there.
Got to get away.
Say baby I love you. Say my name, say my name. You're acting kinda shady. And you're calling me baby. What a sudden change. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say baby I love you. Say my name, say my name.
Paulit-ulit lang.
Simasen, simasen. Sabi ng Chinese. Simasen. Ay, Japanese pala yung simasen.
Sabay ko pa lang.
Simasen, simasen. Let's sing. Let's sing. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. The season may we never forget the love we had for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us for another New Year's dawn. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
Whenever I see boys and
Whenever I see girls and boys.
Sorry.
Boys and
Sabay.
girls and boys. Ang pauna. Whenever I see girls
and boys and the girls and boys
Whenever I
see
see boys and whenever I see boys and
girls and
boys talaga.
girls and boys.
Whenever I see girls and boys, I can see boys and girls see me. I remember the child, and the child remembers me. Whenever there are people, and the people I see, I believe in that Christmas, and Christmas I believe. Ay, may mga sombrero tayo ganyan. Nangangawit ako ng ganyan nakatagilid o kininam.
Sorry.
Kanina pa ako nakaganon eh.
Ito kasi, ito.
Ah, yan. Meron palang armrest. Buti pa yung arm ko, nakakapag-rest. How about the rest of my body?
Hindi pa rin. 24 hours na gising.
24 hours ng gising. Ano to? Parang tayo adik dito. Adik pa tayo sa Amerika.
How about the rest of my body?
Buti pa yung arm, my rest. But how about the rest of my body? When can it rest?
Will I ever rest?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Si Ayon, puro yung kinakanta buisit. Kaya hindi ako makatulog. Minsan umaano sa utak ko yun eh. Gawin nyo yung minsan. Tinatalakan kayo ng mga magulang nyo. Pag nagwawala yung magulang nyo sa galit, mahimik lang kayo. Tapos titigan nyo sila sa kanilang mga mata at bigla nyo sambitin ng mga katagang meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Try mo.
Mamaya. Pag nawawala si Ana Puna, kakantahan natin siya ng meow, meow.
Pag stress na sila backstage.
Meow! Nagkakagulo na sila doon. Backstage. Kantahan natin sila ng meow, 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 meow.
Meow, meow ka lang.
Sige na nga. Wait na din ako magpapaalam na kami sa inyo. So, again, thank you very much to all of the people who went to our concerts since we started in Saban Theater. And then in Pala Casino. Pala Casino, and then last night at Gold Coast Casino in Vegas. And we're so excited to see you guys here in Oklahoma tonight. It's gonna be our last show, so we'll make sure we're all gonna have a wonderful time together tonight. So see you guys there, and I miss you, Madlang people. I hope to see you guys soon also. We'll be back as soon as the concert tour is finished, okay? Who do you miss most in the Philippines?
Who do I miss most? Marami, hindi ko pwede pangalanan. Matulog na kayo dyan. Maraming salamat sa
Tanong ko lang kung sinong pinakamimiss na hindi nyo pwede pangalanan.
Ingat kayo dyan, matulog na ngayon.
Sino huli mo nakasama sa Pilipinas bago ka pumunta ng Amerika?
Sino huli mo nakasama? Yung driver ko.
Gago pala to eh.
Parang kwentang ako siya.
Okay, so bye for now. Bye!
See you later, Oklahoma. Bye-bye, everybody. Good night.
See you later, Refrigerator. Sabihin ko dapat, see you later, Refrigerator. Sinabi ko, Frigidaire. See you later, Frigidaire. Frigiderator. Sige na ka, makapakyo kayo. Ay, nakakatawa siya. Bye!